Hello there. This is Fred from quickhacks.com. Today in this tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to set up or map your domain name for WordPress Click to deploy on Google Cloud, using Cloudflare. Before we get started, make sure you have already set up and installed WordPress Click to deploy on Google Cloud. Let's get started. Double-click the Internet browser icon from your desktop to open. From your browser, navigate to cloudflare.com. To create an account, click the Sign Up button from the upper right corner as demonstrated. Enter an email address, choose a password and click on the Create Account button to sign up. Make sure your password is at least 8-character long and contains a digit, a special character and a capital letter. Enter your domain name and click on the Add Site button. Select the free plan as in this video and click the Confirm Plan button to continue. Wait for a few seconds while Cloudflare scan and import your existing DNS records. Verify the imported DNS records and click the Continue button as demonstrated in this video. Click on the Continue with Default button to continue to the next step, unless you want to transfer your domain name to Cloudflare. At this stage, you are presented with new nameservers from Cloudflare to replace with your existing nameservers. You will have to log into the cPanel with your domain registrar to make this changes. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using Namecheap, but the process should be similar with all domain name registrars. Enter your cPanel username and password, and click the Sign In button. From your cPanel, click on Domain List. Click the Manage button, next to the right of the domain name you wish to map as demonstrated. Scroll down and click on the drop-down arrow next to Nameservers, and select Custom DNS from the drop-down menu. Switch to the Cloudflare tab and then copy and paste the new nameservers from Cloudflare to the Nameservers section. Click on the green mark icon to save the changes as demonstrated in this video. Note that DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to update globally. Navigate back to Cloudflare and click on the button that reads, Done, check Nameservers. On the TLS/SSL encryption screen, choose Flexible, then scroll down and click on the Done button to continue. To complete the nameserver setup, scroll down again and click on the button that reads, Recheck Now. Click on the Cloudflare logo to return to the main dashboard to verify the status of your change. Open a new tab and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. Enter your email address and click Next. Click the navigation menu in the upper left corner of your screen as demonstrated in this video. Look for and hover the VPC network link and click on the external IP address link from the pop-up menu as in this video. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Ephemeral on the instance you have just deployed, and click on Static from the drop-down menu. Choose a name for your static IP address and click the Reserve button. Note that name cannot contain capital letters. Highlight and copy the static IP address after successful reservation. Switch back to the Cloudflare tab and click on DNS as demonstrated in this video. Delete the IP address in the A-value content field and paste the IP address you copied from Google Cloud. Open a new browser tab and navigate your website using the domain you just pointed as demonstrated in this video. Go ahead and log into the WordPress admin dashboard by suffixing your website address with WP admin. Navigate back to your Google Cloud dashboard and click on the navigation menu icon. Scroll down, click on Deployment Manager, and then click on Deployments. Click on the instance you deployed as demonstrated in this video. Copy the administrator username and password. Switch back to the tab where your new website is opened. Paste the respective details and click on the Login button to log into your WordPress dashboard. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings and then click on the general link from there. Change the URL fields from the default IP address to the domain name that you just configured as demonstrated in this video. Scroll down and click on the Save button to save the updated changes. You should see that your admin login URL has changed from the default IP address to your domain name. That's it. Drop your comment below and I will respond as soon as I can. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter pages for updates as they're posted. You should also check our website, quickhacks.com for more on cloud tutorials, life hacks, DIY and how-to, and food recipes. Thanks for watching.